Leo, it's been 20 minutes. Why are you still staring at that blank email?
I don't want to sound rude, Sarah. But I also don't know how to sound professional. I'm stuck.
You're stuck because you're trying to write a novel. Emails aren't literature, they are tools.
I am writing this email to kindly inform you that.
Stop. You lost them at kindly. You're wasting your time and theirs. Subscribe right now. This is your contract to finally stop wasting hours on your inbox. CTA 1.
I'm hitting subscribe. I need my life back from these emails.
Good. 155 lines of time-saving English starting now. Stage 1, the opening.
Ready for the triple-step shadowing. Let's get the ball rolling.
Phrase 1, quick follow-ups.
I'm focusing on speed and clarity.
Phrase 2, professional greetings.
No more, how are you today, fluff.
Exactly. Let's start the practice.
Triple step mode, on.
Book English, I am writing to let you know.
I am writing to let you know.
Real English, just a quick note too.
Just a quick note to.
Book English, please find the file I attached.
Please find the file I attached.
Real English, attached is the.
Attached is the.
Book English, I will wait for your reply.
I will wait for your reply.
Real English, looking forward to hearing from you.
Looking forward to hearing from you.
Book English, I am sorry for late reply.
I am sorry for late reply.
Real English, apologies for the delay.
Apologies for the delay.
See? Textbook English is slow. Real English is fast.
The Real English version sounds much more confident.
Confidence saves time. Let's master the stack.
I'm ready to own my inbox.
Phrase 1, Part A, just A.
Just A.
Part B, quick note 2.
Quick note to.
Full, just a quick note to follow up on our call.
Just a quick note to follow up on our call.
Phrase 2, Part A, attached.
Attached.
Part B, is the.
Is the.
Full, attached is the revised budget for your review.
Attached is the revised budget for your review.
Phrase 3, Part A, as per.
As per.
Part B, our conversation.
Our conversation.
Full, as per our conversation, I'll send the details.
As per our conversation, I'll send the details.
Phrase 4, Part A, regarding.
Regarding.
Part B, your request.
Your request.
Full, regarding your request, here are the numbers.
Regarding your request, here are the numbers.
Phrase 5, Part A, I'm writing.
I'm writing.
Part B, to follow up.
To follow up.
Full, I'm writing to follow up on our last meeting.
I'm writing to follow up on our last meeting.
Subscribe now. You will need this library for your next urgent email. CTA 2.
Subscribed. I'm building my 30-second email arsenal.
Phrase 6, Part A, let me.
Let me.
Part B, know if.
Know if.
Full, let me know if you have any questions.
Let me know if you have any questions.
Phrase 7, Part A, looking forward.
Looking forward.
Part B, to hearing.
To hearing.
Full, looking forward to hearing your thoughts.
Looking forward to hearing your thoughts.
Phrase 8, Part A, I'll get.
I'll get.
Part B, back to you.
Back to you.
Full, I'll get back to you by the end of the day.
I'll get back to you by the end of the day.
Phrase 9, Part A, apologies.
Apologies.
Part B, for the delay.
For the delay.
Full, apologies for the delay in getting back to you.
Apologies for the delay in getting back to you.
Phrase 10, Part A, could you?
Could you?
Part B, please.
Please.
Full, could you please send over the latest draft?
Could you please send over the latest draft?
Phrase 11, Part A, I've CC'd.
I've CC'd.
Part B, the team.
The team.
Full, I've CC'd the team for visibility.
I've CC'd the team for visibility.
Phrase 12, Part A, happy.
Happy.
Part B, to help.
To help.
Full, happy to help with any further questions.
Happy to help with any further questions.
Phrase 13, Part A, C.
C.
Part B, below 4.
Below 4.
Full, see below for the meeting agenda.
See below for the meeting agenda.
Phrase 14, Part A, just.
Just.
Part B, circling back.
Circling back.
Full, just circling back on this task.
Just circling back on this task.
Phrase 15, Part A, thanks in.
Thanks in.
Part B, advance.
Advance.
Full, thanks in advance for your assistance.
Thanks in advance for your assistance.
Leo, you're getting faster. Now, focus on the downward pitch.
Downward pitch. In an email script.
Yes. Even when you read it, it must sound final. No questions.
I see. Like this, attached is the file.
Perfect. It signals authority. No room for confusion.
Authority and efficiency. That's the CEO secret.
Exactly. Now, the success replay. Face the inbox.
I'm ready to clear my 50 emails in record time.
You are on the computer now. Go.
Hi team, attached is the report. Let me know if you have questions.
Listen to that rhythm. Steady and firm.
I'll get back to you on the next steps soon. Thanks in advance.
What happened?
They replied in 5 minutes. They said, thanks for the quick update, Leo.
Incredible. You didn't waste an hour. You spent 30 seconds.
I'm clearing my inbox faster than ever. I have so much free time now.
You just learned that emails are not your boss. You are the boss of your words.
These 155 lines saved my career. I feel like a CEO.
Words are the only bridge between a busy person and a productive leader.
I'm never going back to writing novels in my emails.
Good. But saving time is only half the battle. What if you need to negotiate?
Then I need a stack for high-stakes negotiation.
Exactly. We cover that in the next masterclass. Subscribe if you're part of the 1% who actually values their time. CTA 3. Leave a comment with the word committed below.
I am committed. I am taking control of my time and my emails.
Click this next video to learn how to handle difficult colleagues over email. End of lesson. Now go clear that inbox.